Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic is aldehydes. Aldehydes are the compounds or organic compounds containing an aldehyde group CHO attached to carbon atom. The two simple aldehydes are formaldehyde HCHO, which is also called as methanol, and acetal aldehyde CH3CHO, which is also called as ethanol. The general formula of aldehydes is CnH2nO, where N is the number of carbon atoms in one molecule of the aldehyde. For example, if the number of carbon atoms in an aldehyde is 1, then N is equal to 1 and its molecular formula will be C1H2 multiplied by 1 O, or CH2O. This aldehyde must contain an aldehyde group CHO. So its chemical formula will be HCHO. The aldehyde also form homologous series. The first four members of the homologous series of aldehydes are: one is methanol. Methanol is its IUPAC name of this aldehyde. Methanol having formula HCHO. Second one is ethanol having formula CH3CHO. Third one is propanol CH3CH2CHO, and fourth one is butanol, whose formula is CH3CH2CH2CHO. Now, naming of these aldehydes. How we will name these aldehydes? Aldehydes are the compounds which contain the CHO group. In the name aldehyde, the first two letters make Al. So the word Al is used as a suffix. As in last class, we were talking about these methanol, NOL, OL, where OL was the suffix. Here, in these aldehydes, Al is used as suffix or ending to show the presence of an aldehyde group in an organic compound. In the naming of aldehyde by the IUPAC method, the first letter E of the parent alkane is replaced by Al, indicated the presence of an aldehyde group. That means alkane here, or methane, so METHAN, and it is, if we will join this name by the suffix al, we get methanol. Similarly, ethanol, propanol, and butanol. Now, the second one is ketones. Ketones are the carbon compounds or the organic compounds containing the ketone group CO. You have to note that ketone group always occurs in middle of carbon chain. So a ketone must contain at least 3 carbon atoms in its molecule, 1 carbon atom of the ketone group and 2 carbon atoms on its 2 sides. There can be no ketone with less than 3 carbon atoms in it. The simple ketone is acetone. Here, the general formula of ketone is CnH2nO, and the first 4 ketones are just as propanone, CH3CO, CH3. Second one is butanone, CH3CO, CH2, CH3. Then pentanone, CH3CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. And hexanone, whose formula is CH3CO, CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. थैंक यू बेटा, कल फिर मिलेंगे। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।